Well, good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with your SouthernIndianaWeather.com QuickCast video. It is Wednesday, May the 14th, 2014, currently a little after 6 a.m. Eastern Time here at the Southern Indiana Weather Office in beautiful downtown Huntingburg. Mostly cloudy skies, 55 cool degrees, much cooler than where we were yesterday. Winds are light out of the north at 8 miles per hour, but look at that humidity, folks. It is muggy at 88%, and it is going to be a pretty muggy day as far as things go. Taking a look at your daily almanac. Yesterday we made it up to a high of 82 degrees. I forecasted 80, but close to the bullseye, a little bit off there. We warmed up just a little bit more with some additional sunshine. Our average high is 77, not bad, and hey, for once we're actually pretty close to what our average low should be. Our sponsor today is Metal Magic in Washington. You can give Chad a call at 698-8555 for all of your paintless dent repair needs. We're talking about the chance of severe weather today, even a marginal risk for some of us, so you know, some hail may come in. Folks, you may need that number. Write them down. Tell them Southern Indiana Weather sent you. Taking a look at Sky Tracker HD right now at 6 a.m. You can see a large plume of rain. Folks, this is all moving in our direction as I put an arrow on it to give you an indication of where it's going. That will eventually move our way today, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty muggy and pretty wet day. So take your umbrella with you. We even run the chance of some severe weather today. Taking a look at today's setup, we had a cold front that's moved through that has stalled a little bit pretty much right over us, and there's a low that's going to be developing down to our south. That low is going to move up, and just as I showed you yesterday, the chance of severe weather is there, but it is very much with a question mark. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk of severe weather for some of our counties, basically from the US 231 corridor and then kind of diagonally to the south and east from there. So Du Bois County, Orange County, and Spencer County are included in the slight risk, and points to the east. But Pike County, Warwick County, Lawrence County, Martin County, and points off to the west are not. As you can see, those are in the marginal risk. Well, what's the difference between a marginal risk and a slight risk? Slight risk starts at a 15% chance for severe weather. Marginal risk is a 5% chance for severe weather. So it is both low end as far as everything goes. If you want to know more about the details of our severe weather chances for today, simply go to youtube.com/WilhiteWX, which is the page that all of our YouTube videos are posted on, folks. I did another video this morning. I did the latest edition of Beyond the Weather, where I dove into those severe weather chances for today. So if you want to know more about it, you can simply go there. But suffice it to say, for this quick video, I think that our risk is more marginal for most of southern Indiana, and I think points towards Louisville from I-65 and eastward have the better chance today. All right. As far as timing, late afternoon to the evening hours, and everything in the impact index, as far as I'm concerned, is low, but damaging winds and hail would be your main threat for today. Let's take a look at your forecast for today, folks. 65 degrees for your high temperature, mostly cloudy, numerous thunderstorms, severe weather possible for at least some of us this afternoon, marginal risk really for most of us. Thunderstorms, though, maybe a break in the thunderstorms this afternoon, maybe not. Some of the models are differing on that. I will say this, our severe weather chances are going to be very dependent on how much rain we get today. If we get a good amount of rain today, you can kiss severe weather chances goodbye. If we get a break in the rain today, we get a little bit better risk for severe weather today than this afternoon. So either way, I will be here monitoring and bring you the latest. 65 may be a little bit aggressive even for our high today if it stays raining most of the day. Here's Plan Your Day forecast, sponsored by Ubalor and Sons in Jasper, and you can see those cool temperatures, warmer as you move off to the east, cooler as you go towards the west. Taking a look at tonight's forecast, down to 46. We haven't seen it that cool here in a while, have we? Mostly cloudy, numerous thunderstorms. Again, severe weather possible this evening, but then as we go into the overnight hours, that severe weather threat will very quickly diminish and become just a rain threat. 46 very cool degrees for your overnight low tonight, and then here is what you can expect for your your night forecast as well. Then for tomorrow's forecast, mostly cloudy skies, showers likely, even cooler, 61 degrees for your high, and it does look like a 50% chance of showers off and on throughout the day. Then taking a look at your Du Bois County Bombers extended outlook. At least we got a break in the rain come Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Some nicer weather on the way. It does start to warm up a little bit later on in the forecast, but we have these 3 days that we have to deal with. Maybe some severe weather today. They're very much a question mark on that. Again, it's going to depend on how much instability that we can get. Instability is warmth and moisture, so we got to get that sun to come out and destabilize the atmosphere. If it doesn't, then our severe weather chances are very low. But some 3 days or so of rain to deal with, and we got some pleasant weather after that. So that is kind of a nice change of pace. Taking a look at your know, wind, and QuickCast, well, obviously Wednesday and Thursday rain, so it's a red light. Friday is kind of a smaller chance, so dodge the raindrops. Saturday and Sunday, you should be in the clear to mow. Don't forget to check us out on our many social media sites, and of course, the Android app is now available, coming out for iPhone soon. Search for Southern Indiana Weather in your Google Play Store to be able to find that. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite. That is your SouthernIndianaWeather.com quick cast for today. Don't forget, if you want to know more about the severe weather, go to our YouTube page. You can also find it on SouthernIndianaWeather.com, and you'll be able to take a look at the latest edition of Beyond the Weather from today there. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite. Have a great day, and keep it here for storm coverage throughout the day.